Welcome back to our channel!
Another weekend sa San Juan. Magsiswimming kami ngayon sa Camp Laia. Maaga kaming umalis kahit maya-maya pa ang check-in namin sa resort para mapag-fishing muna sa Subukin Port, dito rin sa San Juan. Punta na kami sa Camp Laia.
Ito ang parking area nila. Dito naman ang office at receiving area. Mababait at very helpful ang mga staff nila. Siyempre, meron din silang lifeguard. Dito yung common CR. Parang every hour, may naglilinis dyan to make sure na laging maayos ang CR. Malinis ang paligid. White sand dito sa Laia.
Dumadami na ang guest. Maganda ang panahon. Hindi masyadong mainit ang sikat ng araw. Sarap magbabad sa tubig.
Their available cottages and rooms are Colandong and Cabanas, Casitas AC Rooms, Casitas Fun Rooms, Kamalig, and Bahay na Bato. Pwede rin mag-tent pitching dito, but only small tents are allowed. For the room rates and their contact details, you may check the description box of this video.
Some water activities are jet skiing, island hopping, banana boat ride, and of course the UFO ride that we've tried. Let's go! At first, it was very calm and smooth. It's like you're just on a speedboat or something. But then, when the UFO starts spinning, oh my god, you really do have to hold on for dear life. It was really a fun and nice experience.
Barik na!
It was a fun and relaxing day with the family. Please leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever we post new vlogs.
Till next time!